Oh. Oh. So there's the Backman tin with sheds. And this People's Choice 20, Island of Sodor. Oh. Here comes Spencer. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the amazing Island of Sodor model train display. That's going to be on my YouTube channel. This is What Brian Thinks Adventures, featuring Thomas and his friends, with Gordon, Donald Douglas, Thomas, Percy, Emily, and Spencer on the amazing model train display, with Thomas's coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. Before we go on to the next one and explore the rest of the model train show, folks, let's take a picture of Backman and Emily going by. There she goes. Well, folks, here it goes, and that's it. Have a great day.